Hi friends, Sola's Creative Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to make these fun little colorful plants, these artificial plants. And on another video I'll go ahead and show you how I make the base, but this time around I'll show you how I make the plant. This one's a little different than the other two, but the premise is still the same. So what you need is you need to make yourself some handmade paper straws. And then once you do that, then you'll cut it down to size, however tall you want the plant to be. And then you'll need your wire to wrap the straw. Afterwards, you'll use your floral tape to wrap the straw and cover it completely so it looks like this. Once that's done, then you'll pull out your hot glue and your flowers, and you'll go ahead and start to add it to the stem. Once you get all three of them filled, or four, however many you want, then you'll go ahead and floral tape them, and then you'll have yourself something like this. And what's nice about this is before you floral tape them here at the base, you'll be able to go ahead and adjust it to however you want them to be shaped. So, what do you need for supplies? You're going to need your artificial flowers, floral tape, 24 gauge wire with some wire cutters or strong scissors to cut the wire, and also to cut the straws to size. I use a little plier like this to squeeze the wire down into the straw if it's poking out. Need a hot glue gun, and I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll finish it off and show you what this one will look like. Be right back. So let's go ahead and add some flowers to this stem. And what I want to show you is, if you look close, you'll see this little piece right here. You want to cut under that because that's what's going to hold the plastic insides together. So we will just go ahead and snip that right below it. And if you look at the flower, you can still see that little guard. Then you'll take your hot glue gun and cover that up. And then add it to your stem. Bring back the flower and then give it a little pinch. Be careful not to burn your fingers. And then you would just repeat the process until you got as many on there that you would like. So let me go ahead and get another one on there. That little piece right there protects that plastic center from coming out, because if you cut that, then the two petals will come apart. Flower. Let's go ahead and put that one up here. how you get it started. So let me go ahead and add a few more. I think we'll go ahead and put one more right here. Okay, so we'll give it just a little bend up, excuse me, a little bend up on the top, and then we'll position them. And things like that. And then I'll go ahead and put some floral tape on it and show you what that looks like. And this is what it looks like. And then later on, I'll go ahead and make something like this. This is made out of moss and spackle and faux rocks. It's great for your dioramas. And this also can be in a diorama. So I hope you give this a shot, or at least it's inspire you to make some. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day, and see you on the next video, where I can show you how to make these rocks. These are actually made out of sand. So it's hard as rock. And then I added the moss, a little ladybug. I made this, and these are full rocks that I made. And this is actually made out of this green hemp. And this is how it all started. I spilled some glue. I needed to pick it up. And I made this sand sculpture because I added the sand to the spilled glue and then formed it into this shape. Then I took sand and spackle and made the ground. So those are other projects in the works that I hope to share with you. See if you're interested in making them. Until then, so does Creative Corner wishing you well, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.